Hi guys, this is Bully here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to buy a domain name on NameCheap. Super simple and beginner friendly. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, first let's go to NameCheap.com. If you haven't have an account with them, that is fine because it will ask you to create an account when you're gonna buy a website name or a domain name. So in this case, I already have an account with them. Make sure you click domains right here, and this is the domain search that you could use. In this case, just type your domain name here that you want to buy. Let's see if it will be available. I am going to buy, let's see what I'm gonna buy. Just type it in, stack.io, and let's see, and press enter. Let's see. There it is. So sparkystack.io, that's the domain name that I am gonna buy for my demo website in the future, that I am gonna feature so many apps that I plan to build. I want .io because it's kind of cool for the tech startup or whatever. You guys could choose whatever, but .com is pretty common too, and .io is just a little bit more expensive on Namecheap. For me, I am gonna buy both sparkystack.io and sparkystack.com, and then this one is available, plus I'll get 40% off. So I am gonna click add to cart, and we are not going to select all of these options because it will cost more money. But the next one, I am gonna buy sparkystack.com too. Let's see if it'll be available. There it is. It's available because nobody probably wants to name their website like I do. Alright, I am gonna buy this too. It is because .com is very common in naming your website. So I just want to make sure that when people visit sparkystack.io in the future, just in case they type .com or whatever, I will redirect sparkystack.com to sparkystack.io in the future video. So stay tuned for that. Alright. This one is available, and I'm gonna click add to cart, and I'm not gonna worry about the other options that they displayed out here. So let's go view the items in our shopping cart. Click view items here, and this is my shopping cart so far. So I got sparkystack.io. It's about almost 35 bucks. For the sparkystack.com here, I got about a discount. It's about $11.28, but next year it'll be about 15 or 16 bucks or so, because these prices right here don't include the sales tax yet. So if you buy a .com with them, they'll give you it's about the domain privacy, they'll give it for you for free for a lifetime of the website with them. So alright, next, this is what I am gonna buy for today. Click checkout, and right here, as you can see here, for domain privacy, it's enable. I am gonna enable this option to auto renew for next year. Right now I got a good deal, so ignore this guy. I have the honey installed. I got 40% discount. Like I said, next year it'll be about 60 bucks or so. So whatever website you buy from Namecheap, they'll give you a free domain privacy. You see here, it's free forever. They're not gonna charge you for that. Versus if you buy a domain name from other companies or other websites, like for example, if you buy a website from GoDaddy, typically they would charge you some, I don't know, like a fee for that or something. I don't remember much, but if you add it up, like it could be more expensive than Namecheap. Well, you have to check it out, whoever you want to buy a website or a domain name from. And next, you just scroll down to check. You don't need to buy other options. For my sparkystack.com right here, I also want to auto renew it every year well, for the next year too. Of course, I'll get domain privacy for free. I don't have to pay for that. Stellar web hosting. I am not gonna host my website over here with NameCheap because I plan to deploy my web app to Azure, the cloud hosting platform. Once everything looks good, just scroll up a little bit to the right and click confirm order. And if you haven't logged in or need to create your account with NameCheap, just do so here. For me, I already have an account. I will use this site to sign in. If you haven't had an account with them, just use this panel right here on the right side to fill out the form to create an account with them. All right, I'm gonna sign in here real quick. And okay, after you log into your account or sign up for an account with NameCheap, this is gonna be the next page for the order review that you'll go to. Make sure you check out all the information. For example, as for me, it's sparkystack.io, 1 year registration. Okay, free domain privacy is 0, it's free forever. And another domain, sparkystack.com, and the free domain privacy, it's free forever. That is good. And the payment details that you have to add to pay for your domain names. Once everything looks good, just click the pay now button right here and wait for a little bit because they're processing your order and it's done. And next, let's go back to your dashboard to check if the domain name that you just bought is in your account by clicking NameCheap logo right here and hover the account right here and select dashboard. This is your dashboard. So here they are, sparkystack.io and sparkystack.com. So I officially own these websites. So congrats for your new website. All right, real quick, what is domain privacy? Domain privacy is also called WHOIS privacy protection. It is a service that hides your personal contact information. It's like your name, address, phone number, and email from being publicly visible to anybody on the internet. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope this video helped you somehow. I'll see you in my next video. You have a fantastic day wherever you are. Bye.